Hi guys, in this video we will see the review and demo of Garnier face mask. So let's get started. This one is charcoal based face mask. MRP is 99 rupees, but I got it from Amazon for just 77. And the key ingredient of this mask is charcoal, hyaluronic acid, black algae extract, plus it is suitable for all skin type including the sensitive ones. This is 40 gram sheet and 28 gram serum. Approx bottle size of serum is there in this, and there is a very mild aloe vera fragrance that's soothing. So coming to the usage, first of all you clean your face and make it dry and then unfold the mask. This itself is a task because it's all sticky, gilgila. Adjust the mask into the contour of your face gently that all the serum from the mask can be absorbed by your skin. Now just sit back and relax for 15 minutes. This sheet fits nicely and stay easily. So you can even walk or relax. You will feel slight cool soothing sensation when you apply the mask on the face. After 15 minutes, simply take the mask off and enjoy a facial like glow. So if there is any serum left on your skin, after taking the mask off, you can gently massage it into your skin with your fingertips. And your skin will feel cleaner, look brighter, and it's refreshing. Yeah, definitely there is a glow on the face. So overall, it's affordable at 77 rupees. It's a quality mask. And definitely you will see some improvement in the brightness or the texture of your skin. It's a gentle formula, even for the sensitive skin without any harsh chemicals. The only downside is that the pack says you have to use it 3 times a week. 3 times, are you kidding me? Meaning you have to keep a bundle of these masks at home to use it 3 times a week. But yes, you can definitely use this for special occasions and complexion will look healthy. We'll definitely use it again, and I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.